Hello everyone and welcome back to Glow Up. Hair care routine for healthy and beautiful hair. Everybody wants hair that's strong, shiny, and easy to manage, but it can be challenging to get to that place. Most of us have to deal with some sort of hair issue that stands in the way of a healthy head of locks. Genes do play a role when it comes to your hair type, strength, and volume, but that doesn't mean you have no control over your hair. In this video, we'll look at 10 steps you can take to help strengthen your strands, boost hair growth, and enhance the look, feel, and health of your hair. We will also share healthy habits you should adopt to get healthier, alongside the bad habits you need to stop doing to your hair. Lastly, we'll discuss common misconceptions about hair care that you should be aware of, so you can achieve your hair goals more effectively. Without further ado, let's get started. Tip number 1. Go easy on the shampoo. Keeping your hair clean is important, but most shampoos use ingredients that strip away your hair's natural oil in an effort to reduce oiliness and remove dirt. Unless your hair is extremely oily, you can probably cut back to washing with shampoo 2 to 3 times a week instead of every day. Washing your hair too frequently may dry it out and possibly weaken the hair shaft. Also, don't use too much shampoo. According to the American Academy of Dermatology, you only need a quarter-sized amount of shampoo, applied mostly at your scalp, to clean your hair. Tip number 2. Minimize the use of heat styling. Blow dryer, straightening iron, hot curlers, and other heated styling tools can take a toll on your hair, especially if your hair is fine, dry, or prone to breakage. Too much heat can weaken your hair, resulting in strands that are damaged or frizzy. To limit damage from hair drying, researchers who conducted a 2011 study recommend holding the blow dryer about 6 inches away from the surface of your hair, and to keep the dryer moving and not concentrated on one spot. Limit your blow drying and other heated styling sessions to 2 or 3 times a week to give your hair time to recover in between each session. Set your dryer and other heated styling tools to a lower heat setting to reduce the chance of hair damage. Tip number 3. Up protein in your diet. Getting enough protein in your diet is important for hair growth, as hair follicles consist mostly of protein. A lack of protein in the diet can result in hair thinning and hair loss. Protein-rich foods that may help boost hair health include eggs, fish, like mackerel and salmon, nuts and seeds, lean meats, spinach and kale, beans and legumes. These protein-rich foods supply vital nutrients that are crucial for promoting hair growth, strength, and overall health. Tip number 4. Boost your vitamin intake. Like the rest of your body, your hair needs specific vitamins and minerals to be healthy and strong. Research has shown that nutritional deficiencies may be linked to hair loss. The vitamins and minerals that may be most important for hair growth are Vitamin A, found in sweet potatoes, carrots, pumpkin, spinach, milk, eggs, and yogurt. B vitamins, especially biotin, found in egg yolk, liver, salmon, avocados, nuts and seeds, and dairy products. Vitamin C. Good sources include citrus fruits, strawberries, and bell peppers. Vitamin D, found in fatty fish, egg yolk, and fortified foods like milk and orange juice. Vitamin E. Good sources include sunflower seeds, almonds, spinach, and avocados. Iron, found in oysters, clams, eggs, red meat, lentils, and spinach. Zinc. Good sources include oysters, beef, pumpkin seeds, and lentils. If it's difficult to get the necessary nutrients from the foods you eat, you may want to consider taking a multivitamin that includes these vitamins and minerals. Tip number 5. Try hot oil treatment. Hot oil treatments are a popular choice for helping to restore moisture to dry, frizzy, or damaged hair. Coconut and avocado oil treatment may be especially beneficial. Coconut oil has the ability to reduce protein loss in both damaged and undamaged hair. Like coconut oil, Avocado oil also contains essential fatty acids as well as vitamins A, B5, and E. To make your own hot oil treatment, follow the steps written in the description box. Tip number 6. Massage your scalp. Revving up the blood circulation in your scalp may help boost the health and condition of your scalp, and also increase blood flow to the hair follicles. A 4-minute daily scalp massage may have the ability to increase hair thickness and strength over time. Tip number 7. Use aloe vera on your hair and scalp. Aloe vera is rich in vitamins A, C, and E. These vitamins may help promote healthy cell growth, including the cells in your hair. Aloe vera also contains vitamin B12 and folic acid, both of which may be helpful in promoting healthy hair. You can apply the pure gel of the aloe plant to your hair and scalp, or look for hair products that contain aloe vera ingredients. You can also make your own aloe vera hair mask for extra conditioning. Tip number 8. Try an egg yolk mask. Egg yolk contains the same proteins that make up a strong hair follicle. Egg yolk also contains several essential nutrients that have been linked to hair growth and healthy hair, including vitamins A and D, biotin, and folate. You can make your own egg yolk mask by following the steps written in the description box below. Tip number 9. Use a cool rinse. Showering with water that's too hot may cause heat damage to your hair, both at the root and on the cuticle. Steam in the shower can open up the cuticles on your hair, which may result in hair that's dry, frizzy, and prone to breakage. To protect your hair, lather up with lukewarm water. Then, finish your shower with a spray of cool water on your hair and scalp. This may help seal your hair cuticle, making it easier for your hair to retain moisture. Tip number 10. Swap your towel for a t-shirt. According to hair care experts, rubbing your wet hair with a terry cloth towel after washing can cause hair damage and breakage due to the friction that's created between the towel and your hair. You can opt for a microfiber towel, or for an easier and more economical solution, use a simple cotton t-shirt. The smooth t-shirt fabric will create less friction when drying, resulting in less damage and frizz. Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember, the key to beautiful locks is consistency and care. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and most importantly, subscribe to stay tuned for more hair care videos and beauty tips.